How do you say something happens earlier than another event? Should you say before dinner, before to dinner, or before the dinner? When do you use before with clock times versus events? In this chapter, we'll master before and learn to express sequences of time clearly. Welcome back to our Prepositions of Time series. We've mastered at, on, and in for specific times and periods. Now we begin a new category, showing relationships between events. Today, we'll learn before, which means earlier than a particular time or event. Before means earlier in time than something else. It creates a relationship between two moments or events. The first event happens, then the second event follows. Before always points backward to the earlier moment. For example, wash your hands before dinner. This means washing happens first, then dinner comes after. Before creates a clear sequence. Hand washing is earlier than eating. Before works in two main ways. First, before events, before the meeting, before class, before dinner. Second, before specific times, before 9 p.m., before midnight, before noon. Both show that something happens earlier, but one references an event, the other a clock time. We use before constantly in daily routines. I brush my teeth before breakfast. This establishes the order. Teeth brushing comes first, breakfast comes second. Before helps us describe our daily sequences clearly. Before is essential for deadlines. Submit your report before 5 p.m. This means the deadline is 5 p.m. and you must finish earlier. Before creates urgency and clear time limits. A common mistake is adding to after before. Never say before to go or before to eat. Say before going or before I go. Before is followed directly by a noun, pronoun, or ing verb, never by to. For example, check your documents before entering the airport. This shows preparation that must happen earlier. The checking comes first, the entering comes second. Before makes this sequence crystal clear. Here's your memory trick. Think of time as a line moving forward. Before means stepping backward on that line to an earlier point. If event A must happen earlier than event B, use before. Now let's explore before through practical examples. Notice how each sentence establishes a clear time sequence, showing what must happen first before something else occurs. Let's start with an academic example. Students should study before the exam. This creates a logical sequence. Studying must happen earlier, then the exam comes later. Before establishes the proper order for preparation. Now, let's look at house rules. Remove your shoes before entering the house. This shows a required action that must come first. The removal happens outside, before you step inside. Perfect sequence. Let's move to bedtime routines. Children should sleep before midnight. This uses before with a specific time, midnight, 12 a.m. It means sleeping must start earlier than that time point. Now consider instructions and procedures. Read the instructions before starting the test. This prevents mistakes by ensuring preparation happens first. Before helps us give clear, logical directions. Let's look at cooking and preparation. Taste the soup before serving it. This ensures quality control happens earlier. You check the flavor first, before guests receive their food. Now imagine sports and fitness. Always warm up before exercising. This prevents injuries by establishing the correct sequence. Warming up comes before intense physical activity. Before makes this safety rule clear. Let's move to professional advice. Consult a lawyer before signing the contract. This is protective guidance using before. The consultation must happen earlier, before you commit to legal obligations. Now consider natural time markers. Finish your work before sunset. This uses a natural event as a time reference. Before sunset means while the sun is still up, earlier than darkness arrives. Let's look at safety instructions. Look both ways before crossing the street. This life-saving sequence uses before. Checking for traffic must happen first, before you step into the road. Finally, here's a weather-related example. Bring the clothes inside before it rains. This shows anticipation and preparation. The action must happen earlier, before the rain begins. Before expresses this urgency perfectly. Let's recap the essential points about before. First, before always indicates earlier time, something that happens first. Second, it creates sequences between two events or moments. Third, it works both with events before dinner and specific times before 9 p.m. Here are the 3 grammar patterns with before. Pattern 1. Before plus noun, before dinner, before class. Pattern 2. Before plus ing verb, before eating, before leaving. Pattern 3. Before plus a clause, before you sleep, before the sun rises. Never add to after before. That's the most common mistake to avoid. Here's your practice challenge. Think about your daily routine and create sentences using before. I drink coffee before breakfast. I check my phone before leaving home. I arrive at work before 9 a.m. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. Excellent progress. You now understand before. How to show that something happens earlier in time. In the next chapter, we'll learn after, the opposite of before, which shows events happening later in sequence. Keep practicing and continue mastering English time expressions step by step.